Welcome to the video. I'm Ashutosh. In this video, we are going to see uh, what is new in event management module of ServiceNow in Paris release. There are few things new, there are few things changed, and there are a couple of things which are removed from the Paris release so that customers should be aware of what is new, what is changed, and what is removed. So I have created this video. Along with this video, I have also created a good article which is posted on the community site of ServiceNow. So let's move ahead and try to understand what is new first. Then let's see what is changed, and then we will see what is removed. Moving forward, there are 6 points which I would like to describe what is new, what are the new features in event management module in Paris version. So let's start with the first one and the interesting one where we have a new landing, we have some enhancement to the landing page, or we have some new landing page and an overview tab for the alerts. Now I'm going to also show you the difference between Paris version and Orlando version for few of the points. Everything is not possible, but wherever it is possible, I will try to show you the difference. So let's jump to the instance directly now. I'm on the operator view. Okay, I have a service open, and there I have opened an alert. Now about the first point where I say we have an overview tab. In this overview tab you can see everything is in place. CI groups, how many alerts are in groups, what is the probable root cause, how many changes are there, how many alerts have caused it, how many alerts are considered for the root cause analysis, impacted services, right? So this is nothing but an overview page, and this is in Paris. Now the information which you see here, it may differ based upon which type of alert you are seeing. If you are seeing a primary alert, a secondary alert, an automated group alert, a CMDB group alert, a rule-based alert. So the information varies based upon this. Right now you are seeing CMDB group alert. Okay, I will jump to Orlando version, and you will see I have just opened one alert, and you can see the overview tab is not here. I don't know how many change requests are there. I don't know what is the root cause. I can only see the timeline. So to make this particular console more operator friendly, ServiceNow has brought this particular feature where everything is in one place. He does not have to navigate through multiple pages or to go to the native view and search for it. Okay. Now the next interesting point we have is probable root cause analysis. Initially we had root cause analysis, but probable root cause analysis is something new in Paris. Now what is probable root cause analysis? It basically it is basically an algorithm, I will say, which considers how many change requests are on the CIs, okay, then the topology of the CI, and then the relationships of the CI, okay, where we know actually uh, so basically why this is done. Here I am going to show you probable root cause. So these alerts are considered uh, as a probable root cause for this grouped alert, okay, and here you can see the type. It is topology based. This is topology based. If it is group based upon uh, a change request, then you will see here something else. You will see, okay, this particular root cause is because there was a change request on this particular configuration item. Okay, so this is something which is new um, in Paris version. Now, the one important point I will like to focus here is score. So the score is calculated based upon how the what is the probable root cause of the alert. If it is group based upon change request, if it is group based upon the topology, if it is group based upon the both things, there is always a score allocated to an alert, and depending upon that, we prioritize the root cause, and we say okay, alerts, these are the alerts which may be probable root cause for this particular group alert. Okay, also this particular feature takes into account the history of the alerts, the alert which were created initially on this particular configuration item, or which are in progress for this particular configuration item. Okay, and you will see this is a new tab, probable root cause, and I will show you the Orlando version. We don't have something like that. Going back to Paris, and then let's see the next feature. It is called as dynamic alert form layout. Now when it comes to dynamic alert form layout, there are actually some enhancement made to the layout. You can see we have this new action tab, we have this overview tab, um, we have few things like whatever is shown here is changed. Then this is a simple enhancement made, or simple feature service now added to the Paris release, where you see the form layout dynamically. The tabs and sections, whatever you see, the tabs and sections, there are a few new added, a few removed based upon the group alert, based upon the type of alert which you see. Okay, so that was the third one. I will jump to the fourth one, which is very interesting and I like it. It is NLP based alert groups. So what is NLP? NLP is natural language processing, right? So NLP is nothing but a natural language processing. Now what NLP does is it makes use of the clustering models and the text patterns basically to group the alert. So depending upon, we can say machine learning, depending upon the machine learning and the text pattern, these alerts are grouped. Now there is a prerequisite to use this particular feature, and that is you need at least 100 alerts in your system, and you also need a machine learning plugin activated along with predictive analysis. This was not available in Orlando version. I can't show you because I need to train my data, but maybe in future I can create one video for it. Moving back to the fifth one, again identifying alert groups using generalized pattern. Sounds similar to NLP, but there is a small difference between it. In Orlando, we used to group alert based upon the CI relationships, right? And or maybe based upon if the CI is same, the alerts are grouped and XYZ things. But now we have a new feature where you can group an alert based upon the CI class, or both. Okay, so now we got a flexibility to group alert based upon CI classes as well, and that will be same like machine learning, same like NLP. Not exactly same. It makes use of the keywords or the text, but this just makes use of the CIs and the CI class. And the last but not the least, what is new is you can create your own operator views. And how to do that, I will show you. So let's go to, I'm going to close this. Now I am on the operator view. Here you will see, right now you are able to see my view. But here I have global views, I have private views. So there are two types of views which you can create. The private view is created by an operator and it is private to that operator who created it. And the global view is a view if an event management admin creates a view, that will be a global view and which can be used by all the operators, but the private views are limited to that particular operator. Now how to create it is, let's say I can make a copy of it, and how to create a copy of it, you have to select these three dots, save as a copy, and then change the filter of that particular view and again save it. Okay, now this is stored somewhere in the system, and where it is stored? It is stored here. If you just go to the event management module, then you will see operator workspace user views, and it has a filter. You can see it has a filter. You can adjust your own filters, and to which user it belongs to, everything you can see here, right? But this was not part of Orlando. So this is my Orlando version. You will see on the operator view, I don't have view option here. So this is a difference between Orlando and Paris for the creation of the new views. Okay, I have created an article as well on this explaining everything in detail. I will keep my video short and I will just jump to the next topic, that is what is changed in Paris. Okay, what is been, I will say a slight enhancement or something has been degraded, upgraded in Paris. Probable root cause, we already saw it. What is probable root cause? Initially we used to see a root cause alert which used to copy, so it used to create a virtual group alert, and that virtual group alert used to have an information of the root cause alert, and if we solve the root cause alert, everything was clean. But here now we have a topology based, change request based, alert based root cause analysis, which was not part of uh, uh, Orlando. Okay, it has been enhanced. Then enhancement to the alert intelligence alert form. So I already showed you there are a few enhancement made. Like for example, let me go back to an existing alert. View this. It may be repetitive, but I would like to show this. For example, this action section. So they call it as enhancement to and form, enhancement to this particular alert form. Initially the actions were like this, they were visible here. If you see the alert, they were visible here like this. This is Orlando, and in Paris if you see, they are visible here like this. I can quickly do whatever I want to do on a single click. I don't have to do 2 clicks basically. uh, Next thing, which is improved language clarity for events and data and alerts in self-help jobs. So I don't know if you guys are aware of self-help help jobs. It was something which automatic, if there is something wrong with the event management module or with our jobs, ServiceNow was automatically telling us that okay, this is an issue with that particular job. But now it has been enhanced. There is some more calculation added to it, and maybe I can show if you have self health enable. I don't have it enabled, so I can't show you. There is one more service created here, then that is called as ServiceNow Event Management Service, and that service will show you what is the issue to your particular module or your particular topology. Okay. Then the next one, which is improved, is data collection for licensing. So there are 2 points which are linked: unique node for license calculation, and this one, improved data collection for event management. Initially, initially it used to happen that only whatever alert bound to the whatever CIs bound to an alert were considered maybe, and now we have more things. Now, if let's say there is an event, there is an alert created out of it, but the CI is not binded. In that case, a CI on a node will be used. A CI uh, will be used based upon the node value on the event. So if you have a node value on a particular event, but it is not binded to an alert, that node value will be used, or that node server will be used to calculate the licenses. And that is something called as improved data collection for event management license users. Now, what is unique nodes for license calculation? So it will be always an unique node. It will be like, for example, your alert also has a CI and your event also has a node, and there is some improvement made where only one alert or only one CI will be, or either a node field or a CI will be used to calculate that particular license cost. Then the next one is new navigation for alert groups. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but if I go here, I also have something called as let me show you. We have something called as queries. Yeah, alert queries. So this is something new in Paris. We have alert queries. Initially, if you see my Orlando version, we didn't have anything under services called as alert queries. They were alert groups. Okay, but here we have alert queries. Then the next point, I think it's in my note is CSDM enhancement. Now what they have done is they have just changed the name of where it is technical services. They have removed technical services. They have renamed it to dynamic CI groups. So basically, technical service is, let's say, uh, I want my technical service to have all the Windows servers. That is my logical technical service. And that's the reason to comply with CSDM, they have removed the concept of technical service and they have changed it to dynamic CI group. And the last one, alert priority calculation. So whenever the priority of an alert is calculated, there is an enhancement made to it, how the score is calculated. Initially, we used to use priority breakdown, then the CI is binded or not, which business service is impacted. So it has been enhanced, it has been made more granular so that we get proper alert priority. So this was in short, basically, what was changed. Now let's see the last one, the removed features. So first thing which is removed in Paris instances is the event management dashboard. So this one, if you see event management dashboard, now this is my Paris version. Why I have it? Because I have upgraded from Orlando to Paris. So when you upgrade from Orlando to Paris, it will remain. But if you take a new instance which is on Paris directly, you will not see event management dashboard. And that is what it is said here. New Paris release instance will not have event management dashboard, but if you upgrade, you will have it. And the next one is remediation task is no longer available. So if I don't know if we can see the remediation tasks here somewhere. Yeah, maybe on, let's see here. Yeah, we have it, remediation tasks here. So this is no longer available if you take a new instance on Paris, but if you upgrade, they will be there. Okay, and these are the two things mainly which are removed from the Paris instance and in the Paris release. And the one thing which I forgot to tell you in change features when I said you enhancement onto the alert intelligence alert from, one important thing which I missed was you will see this is renamed alerts in groups, but in Orlando it was called as secondary alerts. So if I go here, you will see it is called as secondary alerts. Okay, it has been renamed to alert in groups. So I tried my level best to explain you what was changed. If you need more information, please visit the release notes. It's explained in depth. I have just touched on the few points which are changed and not went into depth, but whenever you want it, you can always see the release notes also, and then the form layout which is changed for secondary alerts, you will see it's only refresh and filter, but here you will see we can add to a group, a new alert, everything is there. But thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please drop comments on my article, which is this one, event management getting awesome. I also have my YouTube channel where I will be posting this video. You can also comment on my YouTube channel. So I would, at the end, I would just say, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching, keep following, and just suggest if anything has to be improved. See you in my next video. Bye. Have a nice day.